Odisha will make PNG connections mandatory in urban areas within 3 months, Minister Krishna Chandra Patra said after a meeting in Bhubaneswar. Households opting for PNG cannot use LPG, while rural supply will continue. LPG users will undergo eKYC and even tenants can apply for a PNG connection. The evaluation process for the annual matriculation examinations has been completed and the results are expected to be announced on May 1 or May 2. This was informed by Odisha Board of Secondary Education President Shrikanta Rai. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has sought the personal intervention of Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi to strengthen road infrastructure in Anugul district. Pradhan in a letter urged CM Majhi to widen SH63 and Chendipada Jarpada Road, citing Anugul's coal reserves, industrial growth and urgent need for safer, efficient transport infrastructure. With 3 months to go, Odisha set strict deadlines for Rath Yatra preparations in Puri. Chief Secretary Anu Garg asked departments to finish work 2 months early. Road widening on Grand Road and connecting routes is prioritized, Law Minister Prithviraj Harichandan said. 7 judicial officers were gherao for 9 hours in West Bengal's Malda during protests over voter roll revision. The Supreme Court termed it pre-planned, ordered central forces for protection and asked the Election Commission to consider an NIA or CBI probe into the incident. AAP has named Punjab MP Ashok Mittal as its new deputy leader in Rajya Sabha, replacing Raghav Chaddha. The party has written to the Secretariat for approval. Sanjay Singh continues as leader and parliamentary party chairperson in the upper house. The union government has decided to provide full customs duty exemption on critical petrochemical products till 30 June 2026. The Ministry of Finance has said that this measure has been taken as a temporary and targeted relief to ensure the continued availability of critical petrochemical inputs for the domestic industry. First Deputy Prime Minister of Russia, Denis Manturov, arrived in New Delhi. Manturov is scheduled to hold separate talks with National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. NASA's Artemis II moon mission lifted off from the US state of Florida, carrying 4 astronauts on the first crewed flight around the moon in more than 50 years. The Space Launch System rocket, with the Orion spacecraft on top, launched from NASA's Kennedy Space Center at 6:35 p.m. on Wednesday. Iran's military warned of stronger and more destructive attacks against US and Israeli forces, rejecting Donald Trump's claim of weakening its capabilities. Spokesperson Ibrahim Zolfakiri said the war will continue until the US faces lasting humiliation and surrender.